How to add weather in your edge panel. Now, if you want to add weather in your edge panel instead of just apps, you just simply need to open your settings app at very first and then scroll down to find display option, then select this display option from settings. After going in the display, scroll down again to find edge panels and then select edge panels from this display settings. Now, after coming to the edge panels, you will finally get the option of panels right here. Tap into that. And as you can see here, you will get a bunch of things to add to the panels. Simply find the weather option right here, select the weather, and after that you can remove the apps from the edge panel if you want, otherwise you can keep that. For this, I'm just simply removing it and keeping the weather only. Now if you scroll to your edge panels, you will see your weather right here. This is how you can add weather to your edge panels in your Android. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.